Weather from where you live.
Well, so far this morning, mainly dry in Lafayette, mainly cloudy as well. Temperature sitting right around 22 degrees. Winds are from the northwest, 7 miles per hour. That wind chill now down to around 13 degrees. Now, winds will be primarily from the northwest throughout the day, but we're actually looking at winds mainly from about 0 to 5 miles per hour throughout much of the day ahead. That is all thanks to that weak system that's going to be rolling throughout the day. However, a stronger low pressure system remains just off to our southwest this morning. 21 degrees for both Fowler and Rensselaer. It's 28 in Kokomo, 27 for Rossville, 22 there in Lafayette. Now, once we get towards the rest of your morning hours, we're actually looking at more scattered cloud cover. And yes, notice the snowfall now moving into the viewing area. What we're expecting with this system is actually just mainly scattered snow showers over the next few hours. See the snow extending all the way from parts of Colorado through Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, there we go, Iowa, Illinois, and now into Indiana. We are seeing a few isolated snow showers move in as of now. We'll continue to see those throughout much of the morning. A much better chance, however, arrives likely after 9 a.m. Once that main system of snow continues to push eastward, the heaviest snowfall will be moving across the viewing area, likely right around your lunch hour. See northern Tippecanoe County, Carroll, Cass, Miami, Howard counties, all catching the heaviest snowfall at that point. By about 3 p.m., the majority of that snow moves eastward. We can see a few isolated snow showers lingering thereafter, but for the most part, we turn our focus to the next round of precipitation headed our way late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Now, temperatures will warm up to around the freezing mark or just below that later on this afternoon. We cool off into the mid-20s overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. In fact, the lowest temperature we're expecting right around 10 to 11 p.m. Once we get past that point, a low pressure system as well as a warm front will lift northward. As it does that, it's going to bring first snowfall. We could be dealing with some decent accumulations in our northern counties by the early morning hours tomorrow morning. However, notice the purple and the green, that's all thanks to the warm front, the warmer temperatures here at the surface, allowing to see more of a freezing rain or sleet or even just rainfall by tomorrow afternoon. So what we're expecting today, right around a dusting to a half an inch for the southern portion of the viewing area, half an inch to possibly even as much as 3/4 of an inch of snowfall by later today. 30 degrees your afternoon temperature in Lafayette, 29 Crawfordsville, fall to 27 degrees by 5 p.m., 26 by 10 p.m. That will be your overnight low temperature. That warm front takes hold, lifts northward. We're looking at primarily a rain event across the viewing area. However, notice our northern counties very close to that freezing rain and sleet. So we could easily see a decent amount of ice for Newton and Jasper counties, especially by tomorrow afternoon. Once that cold front pushes eastward, things will begin to cool off quite a bit. We do have a winter storm watch as a result of that wintry mix that we are expecting through Saturday for Newton, Jasper County, Newton, Jasper, and Benton counties. With 38 degrees for tomorrow, that cold front rolls through 11 degrees overnight, Saturday night into Sunday. We only hit 18 on Sunday. Monday, same story, 18 degrees. We'll jump up to around 24 on Tuesday as our next round of snowfall begins to move into the viewing area. That could actually be a significant system rolling in. That's something everyone needs to keep an eye on. We could be dealing with anywhere between 3, possibly even 6 additional inches of accumulation that day. Wednesday, high temperature right around 26 degrees. Tuesday, the bottom falls out. Look at that. Tuesday morning, we drop all the way to -5. That deep freeze returns 3 degrees, your high temperature by next Thursday.
Cameron, a much warmer day tomorrow, but unfortunately it's also a wet one as well.
Yeah, that's right. Plenty of precipitation. You know, if we were going to be seeing only snowfall tomorrow, we would be seeing a ton of snow, but we are going to be dealing with more of a rain event and that freezing rain. So slick conditions certainly a possibility, especially for the northern half of the viewing area.
All right. Thanks, Cameron. We'll come